Huh? In the class, in the Hi Ashwath, how are you?
I'm good, Miss Priya. I just had a few questions on the homework.
Absolutely, I would be more than happy. Tell me.
Uh, 1 second, I wrote it down in my notebook. Yeah, question 33, I was kind of confused on, and question 34.
Should I share the PDF with you?
I'll bring up the thingy. I have
Sure,
it.
if you share, I'm happy.
If you could do that, that would be helpful, Miss Priya.
Absolutely, I'll do it on the board. You're only here, then I can do, right? Go ahead and show the problem.
Yeah.
1 minute, let me position myself, but you can go ahead, you can show it.
I have it on my phone. I don't have it on the computer, so can you show the
Oh, you
problem?
don't know how to show it on the computer? Okay, send it to the phone. Send it to WhatsApp, Amma.
Uh,
Can you send it to WhatsApp?
no, not really. Should I just read out the problem?
Yeah, you can't send it to WhatsApp, huh?
I
No,
don't
what
know.
I'm saying is I'll bring it up on the board. Now itself, I'll bring it up on the board. Why don't you send it to WhatsApp?
To who? To you? To
You want the
mom?
number?
No, I'm not allowed to get anyone else's number.
Oh, you're not allowed to get anyone else's number. Okay, I got it. Okay, so can you send it in Zoom
Zoom.
in the chat?
Oh yeah, should I just type the problem in?
No problem, ma. Just go ahead and shout out. Shout out the problem. Shout out the problem. No
Okay.
problem. Shout out. I'll do it for you.
It says a pat's height is h d equals negative 0.02 d squared
1 minute. What is that? A pet site?
a pat's height
A pat's height?
PATHS, yeah.
A pat's. Okay.
Pat's height is h over d equals
H of D.
yeah,
H over D. Okay.
equals negative 0.02 d squared plus
0.02 D square.
plus d. Where is d? Where d is horizontal distance. How far has the object traveled horizontally when it hits the ground? That's the question.
What is the question?
How far has the object traveled horizontally when it hits the ground?
Okay. Shall I show this one to you?
Yes.
Okay. So make it into a problem. Okay. This is the x-axis. This explains the distance. This is the height. Height is a function of distance, right?
Yeah.
So there is a path. So basically, this is the path, somewhere this, right? And then it is going to touch the height ground again, correct? Now, this parabola equation is given by 0.02. See, inverted parabola means negative leading coefficient. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, it reaches the ground, it falls to the ground like this, right? Now, what will happen to the height when it reaches the ground? You tell me.
It'll be the same as when it started.
True, but what will be the height?
Yeah, this is where I got confused because I tried drawing the graph and everything, but it didn't work.
What you think about it? You are throwing a stone or a path, okay? A path goes up and comes down. What will be the path's height? You tell me. Try to recollect and tell me. I'm drawing a graph between the distance and the height. path goes up and comes down. Now what will be the value of h when it here and here? It's a coordinate plane, right?
Yeah.
So there is some height here. Okay, but what is the height here? What is this?
Which one?
This one. What is the height? Height is 0. This is 0, 0, right?
Yeah.
X, y, right? Y is 0, x is 0, right?
Mm-hmm.
What is the y value here?
The height would be 0, but
0. X we don't know. There is some x, right? They are asking how far is d. That is the d traveled. We don't know the x value of the coordinate. They are asking for the x coordinate, right? We clearly know we have to find what are the, you have to equate y to 0 and find out the d value. Equate y means h to 0 and find out the d value. Would you be able to factorize this? Would you be able to factorize this? Can you take d common? What is factorizing? Factorizing is expressing sum of terms. It will be a sum of terms, okay? You're going to express that as product of factors. Make sense? Take out d common, you're going to get 0.02 d plus 1, correct?
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
You're equating this to 0. When you multiply two numbers to 0, either this number has to be 0, right? Or this entire thing has to be 0. Then only the product will be 0. You got it?
Yeah.
Either this is 0 or this is 0, right? If this one is 0, solve it. Solve it like an equation. 1 will be equal to 0.02 d. d will be equal to 1 by 0.02 times 100 times 100 is 100 by 250. So, it would have reached a distance of 50 units when it touches the ground.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Lasya, how are you, ma? How are you?
I'm good, Miss Priya.
Good. Okay, your algebra EOC is coming up next week, right? Okay, we'll do whatever practice we can do today. Any questions that you have in your school or anything before STAR exam? Do you have any questions?
Miss Priya, can you go over like arithmetic and geometric sequences?
Absolutely, you all forgot, right? I know that every year I'm saying that is always the area that's weak when we come to EOC. I don't know why. And the correlation coefficient, causation correlation. Those are the general, every year I'm finding everybody is asking towards EOC, they'll ask for arithmetic geometric sequences and causation correlation. I don't know why. But every year, this is not the first time I'm seeing that. Interesting though for me. Okay, so we'll definitely go over those. Okay. Now, did you get it? Ashwath, did you get it, Amma?
Yeah.
Okay. Any other questions?
No.
Okay, so you all want to review arithmetic geometric sequences. Is there anything that you want to?
I kind of forgot the algebra test. I forgot
What
how
more?
to do it. The geometric algebra.
See, that is, I think, the topic, I don't know. Wait. One second. Okay, let's see. Arithmetic geometric sequences, you all know, right? What an arithmetic sequence is, what a geometric sequence is, you all know, right? Okay, I'll just give you a quick view. Okay, this is the only thing that's required for the test. There'll be nothing more in the test, honestly, very frankly. But see, here 2, 4, 6, 8. Do you see 10, 12? What is this and what is this? 2, 4, 8, 16. When you look at this, right, from the back, look at it from the back. 12 minus 10, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. So there is a common difference. Common difference here, right? Here this is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. So this becomes x and y. Plot this into a coordinate plane 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 5, 10, 6, 12. Do you see a line going up? Right? When you have a common difference between the terms and when you plot it into a coordinate plane, it becomes a line, then it is an arithmetic sequence. Got it? Now think about this. You know this term. You know this term. Okay, you want to find the fourth term. What do you do? To the first term, how many 2's you add? You want f of n. Okay, you know the first term. Okay, to that, how many 2's will you add? Tell me. You know the first term. How many 2's will you add to get to 8? Come on, guys.
3.
Huh?
3.
3. So, see, the fourth term you need, but you add 3. So, 3 common difference you will add. You get it n minus 1 common difference. You are wanting the fourth term, so you are adding 3 common difference. So, always, if you want the nth term, you will add n minus 1 common difference to the first term. That's how you get the nth term. Got it? This you have to remember. Okay. Similarly, here what happens? See. Do you see from the back? 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 8 is a 2. 8 divided by 4 is a 2. Do you see it? There's always a common ratio. You see it? When I plot it here, right? 1, 2, 2, 4. You see what happens? 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 8, 4, 16. What is this? Do you see what is this graph? Exponential function. You got it? Do you see it? This is a growing sequence, so exponential growth. This is a geometric sequence. This is called a geometric sequence. So how do you write g of n? You tell me. I want the nth term. I have the first term of the sequence. What do? I have this term. I want the third term. So what will you do to get to that? What will you multiply it with? How many common ratios will you multiply? Here you are adding, right? Here you are going to multiply the common difference. How many times? Suppose this is the nth term I want. How many common ratios will you multiply? Come on.
2.
2, but what is it in terms of n?
Minus 1.
N minus 1 common difference you will multiply. N minus 1 common difference you will multiply, right? So what are you going to multiply it with? You are going to multiply it with the common ratio, right? So you are going to multiply it with the common ratio, but how many times? Power n minus 1. Got it? That's all. There's nothing else you need to know. Maybe one more thing you need to know in this, See, when f of n, if you know the previous term n minus 1, meaning suppose you know 6. What is the next term they ask means what do? You know 6, that is f of n minus 1. Okay, 8 is what you want to find out. What is the next term? So you just add the common difference in an arithmetic sequence. Whereas g of n will be equal to g of n minus 1 times r. You got it?
Yeah.
So this is called the explicit formula. This is called the recursive formula. Recursive means 2 consecutive terms you are getting. Explicit means you are given the first term, you are finding the nth term. Any questions? Any questions? Please note this down. Okay. Another thing that I want to tell you is, what type of a sequence is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. What type of a sequence is this? What ma?
Arithmetic.
Arithmetic. But it is an arithmetic. How the line would be for this one? That was an increasing line last time when we drew. This one, 12 comma 1, 2 comma 10, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 6. It will be a down, going down line. You got it? Decreasing sequence, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms, if I have 144, 72, 36, 89, something seems wrong, right? 4.5. What is this sequence?
Geometry.
Geometric. How do you write the geometric sequence? The first term is being multiplied by what? Half, right? So for you to get the second term, what do? You multiply by 1 half, right? So this should be half power of n minus 1. You got it? This is r. This is the first term of the sequence. G of n. This is g of 1. You got it? So you'll multiply the first term by r power n minus 1. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now can I go ahead and give you some questions for you to try? Lasya, are you following, ma?
Yeah.
Hey, we'll have the 1.5 hours class today, guys, okay? Last week we didn't meet, right? Any issues? Any issues?
No.
How about you, Lasya? Okay, let's go ahead and revise this. Did you all start doing the previous year's papers? Have you done? Have you done the previous year's papers?
No, not yet. I was thinking of doing some tomorrow.
Okay. But you have to at least do 3 papers. You have to do at least 3 papers, past papers. You know where the past papers are found?
Yeah.
Okay, then it's on your head for you to do. Okay. So let's see. Okay, now what is the 10th term of the sequence 2, 6, 10, 14? I have a sequence. Let me write the problem for you. 2, 6, 10, 14. What is the 10th term?
I put my answer in chat.
Yes, ma'am. 10th term, you're bringing it up, right? 1 second. That was quick. What's the question I gave you? Oh wow, good job, Ashwath. You got it. Nice. You're so quick. Did you get it, guys? Last year, how about f of 10 is 36, Amma? Really? How did you get that? Hmm?
I forgot to add f of 1.
I know, right? Adyan, did you get it, Adyan?
Rajans, I answered.
Yes, 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 yes. You got it. Can we move on? So this is easy for you guys, right? Now? Nice. Let me see, wait. One second. You know what? I didn't mean to get. Okay, how about this? One second. How about this? I don't know, it's so small, right? Okay. X square plus 4x minus 12. X square plus 4x minus 12. Do you know what are the x-intercepts of this function? What are the x-intercepts? X-intercepts means what? On a line, what are the x-intercepts? You tell me. Do you know how to do that? If you don't know, you have to let me know, guys. Can I help you or you want to try?
I don't know.
I sent you my answer.
Okay. So what do you do to find out x-intercept? How will you find out? Of a line. What does the x-intercept means? What? There's a parabola. Either this or this is a parabola. Here the leading coefficient is a positive number. So definitely it is an upward facing parabola. X-intercepts means the point where the graph meets the x-axis. X-inter means sept is to cut, inter go across. X-intercepts means the graph is cutting the x-axis at these points. At these points, what is 0? What value is 0? Ashwata Radyan, what value is 0 at x-intercepts?
The Y.
Yeah, this is x1 comma 0, this is x2 comma 0. Y is always 0 at the x-intercept. So what you can do, you can equate the function to 0. When you equate the function to 0, right, you have to find what is x value. That is what is factorizing, right? To factorize a quadratic equation, what do? You can use this formula. Quadratic formula is the easiest, but you can also well factorize in other ways. Okay, let me show you both ways. How can you factorize quadratic functions? First, you need to multiply a and c. Ax square plus bx plus c, right? When you multiply a and c, you get a minus 12. So you have to find factors of minus 12. What are my factors of 12? 1 minus 12 or minus 1, 12. Again come to 2. 2 minus 6 or minus 2, 6. What else I can say? 3, maybe 3. Yeah, 3. 3 is there, right? Minus 3, 4 or 3 minus 4. These are the only ones that will multiply to minus 12. But my sum has to be 4. Which one sums to 4? Aha, this is the one that sums to 4. Make sense? Now, what am I going to do to factorize? Let me show you. X square plus 4x minus 12 equal to 0, right? You know that this is going to work. No, so this 4x, right, I'm going to write it out as minus 2x plus 6x. I'll write it like that and copy the minus 12 and x square. Make sense? Now, I will take x common in this. I'll write x minus 2. I'll take 6 common in this and then write x minus 2. Okay, now what is common in both these terms? These are terms. What is common in both of these terms? X minus 2 is common. Take it out and write. You will have x plus 6. See? Now, I made my sum of terms. This was sum of different terms, right? I made it into product of factors. This is what is factorizing. This is the easy way of factorizing quadratic functions. What did I do? I found out the multiplied value of a and c. That I wrote out the factors of that number and saw which pair added to 4. This was the pair. So I split that 4, right, into minus 2 and plus 6x. I wrote that down, grouped these two terms and these two terms, took out what is common. Now after taking common out, between these two terms what was common I saw. I took it out, x minus 2, and then wrote x plus 6. Makes sense? So now the factorized form, x minus 2 times x plus 6 is the factorized form of the quadratic function. Make sense? This is also called the intercept form. Intercept form means it is saying either this number is 0 or this number is 0. Then only the product will be 0, right? So you can say x minus 2 is either 0 or x plus 6 is either 0. So x is equal to 2 or x equal to minus 6. Make sense? So this is 2, this is minus 6, sorry. This is minus 6 comma 0 is a point on the graph. Then the other one is 2 comma 0 is a point on the graph. Ashwath, did you get it?
Yeah.
Adyan, did you get it?
Yeah.
How about this? Okay, how about this? Tell me. You're going to answer this one for me. Come on, guys. Good job, Lasya. Ashwath, why it is B? Why is it B? Can you explain?
Because the arithmetic sequence, it's minus 2.
Let me see. Can you explain that?
So it goes from
3, 1, minus 3, right?
yeah.
This is the starting one. F of n they are asking. So what is that? How did you do this? So let's say, how did you do this, Ma? What is the common difference? Successive term minus the previous term. 1 minus 3 is a minus 2. Minus 1 is a minus 2. So the common difference is minus 2. Successive term minus the previous term you need to do. So the common difference is minus 2. Great. So the first term plus n minus 1 times d, you know. D is minus 2. So let me put it like that. First term is 3 plus n minus 1. D is minus 2. So minus 2 times n is minus 2 and plus 2. Right? So what happens? 3 plus 2 is 5, right? 5 minus 2n. Adyan, did you get it?
Yeah.
Ashwath, did you get it?
Yeah.
How about this? Okay, you're going to try this one. Okay, I'm not going to give you options, okay? You guys are going to calculate. Let's see. That way I make it harder. Let's see.
Miss Priya, I don't understand the question.
A table of values, write the xy as table. 1, 5, 2, 11, 3, 17, 4, 23. Write it as a table of xy values.
Yeah, but like, what is the question asking?
The question is asking what expression allows you to calculate the nth term. Nth term expression. Use the formula, find out the nth term. Can you do that for me? Did you get that? Yeah, but you can simplify that, right, ma? Oh, nice. Yes, yes, Lasya. Adyan, I want to know the general expression for the nth term.
Oh,
Adyan, you're able to do or you want me to do?
can you do it?
Yeah, sure. How about you, ma? Ashwath, how about you? How about you?
Can you do it, please?
Sure. So it is 1, 5, 2, 11, 3, 17, 4, 23. This is x and y values, right? This is f of x, right? So the common difference is 6, right? Plus 6, right? So we know nth term will be equal to first term plus n minus 1 times d. F of 1 is 5. What is the value of the first term is 5 plus n minus 1 times 6. 5 plus 6n minus 6 is 6n minus 1. Make sense? Any questions, Ashwath? Ashwath, did you get it? Adyan, did you get it?
I got it.
Okay, let me go ahead and
Yeah.
give you, yeah? Okay, so let me go ahead and give you a series of problems that way. Okay, you're going to do this, okay? 8, 9, 10, let's see. Just on sequences and series. Next, I'll go to quadratic problems, quadratic functions, word problems, which is very important, okay? I told you, let's see. Let me give you these. Try these three. Slowly you do, but with the question numbers, please send answers. I'm going to give you another two hard questions. Let me see. Are you able to do, guys? Or if you have any doubt on any question, just raise up. I'll explain that quickly, right?
I sent you all my answers.
Yes, no. Oh, wow. Oh, good job, Ashwath. You're understanding it nicely now.
Yeah.
Adyan, 8 and 10 check. Eight and 10 check, Adyan. Last year, are you doing, ma?
Yeah, I'm on the last one.
No problem. Take your time.
Miss Priya, now are they right?
Not really, Adyan. Okay. Last year, did you send ma?
No.
Okay. For Adyan, I'm going to do last year. Did you do ma? Have you done last year?
I just sent them to you.
Oh, good. Okay. So, Adyan, when you look at this here, Adyan, a rubber ball is dropped and bounces a height of 80% of its previous height. The first bounce reaches 80, right? Second bounce is 80% of 80, right? Right? What is 80%?
Yeah.
What is 80%? It's going to reach low, right?
Yeah.
So 80% is 8 by 10, that is 4 by 5, right? Correct?
Mm-hmm.
320 by 5. What is the next height? 64, right? Then again times 4 by 5 is what? So like that it goes on, right?
Yeah.
What are the heights in the second and third bounces? So this is right, right?
So it'll be 8.
Why? Yeah, go ahead and tell. 64 times 4 by 5 is what? You'll have to calculate.
It'll
256 by
be
5. So
it,
51 point something. So this is the
yeah.
length. You got it?
Yeah.
This one you got it right. Geometric sequence begin with 1000. Right? Follows a common ratio of 0.1. Common ratio of 0.1 not times 0.1, right? The next one is what then? 100. The next one is 10. The next one is 1. You got it? What is the value of the fifth term? 0.1. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so this one, but I want to give you two more difficult problems in sequences and series for sure. Let's see. Oh wow, this is a good one. Let's see this one. Try to find this. Let me see. Do that one. Mm-hmm. Did you do it? I got two answers. Last I'm waiting for yours.
I sent mine.
Oh, 1 minute. Okay. Adyan, how did you do, Adyan? From the starting term A1 of an arithmetic sequence, when the 10th term, okay, 10th term is what? A10 is 50, right? The common difference was 5. So substitute, right? F of n will be equal to f of 1 plus n minus 1 times d is the formula, right? So we want to
Yeah.
find out this a1, right?
Mm-hmm.
Nth term is 10 minus 1 is 9 times d is 5. This is 50. Just you are plugging in, right? 50
Um.
equal to a1 plus 45. A1 equal to 5. Got it? What did you do? Where did you make a mistake? Where did you make a mistake, Amma?
Oh. Accidentally read the question wrong
Huh?
and got a little confused.
Okay. How about this? I wanted you to do something else. Hold on. Yeah, how about this? It's a good one. Try that one.
Miss Priya, which one's the explicit formula?
What?
Which one's the explicit formula?
You should have noted down, right, Ashwath? You should be able to write it by yourself. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
Okay.
I sent my answer too.
I'm not able to see the chart. Oh my gosh. I will check the answer once and then go. 4, right? 4. What is the answer? Lasya, are you confident now?
Yeah.
Adin, that's not correct. That's not correct. Last year was correct. Ashwath, that was not correct. What did you do, Ashwath? Is it geometric or first of all arithmetic sequence, guys? Is it geometric sequence or arithmetic sequence?
Geometric.
Huh?
Geometric.
Geometric. Okay. How did you do, Ashwath? So, see, write down the table, right? Biologist observes a population of cells that triples every hour. Right? The triples every hour means what happens? Suppose, let's say this is X. The first, I don't know how many number of bacteria was, what is that? Observes the population cells is X. So, second is, it triples means 3X. Then what happens? Third hour, 3 times X. So, this goes on getting multiplied by 3. So, the common, so here, this is arithmetic sequence, right? This is not an arithmetic sequence. This is a geometric sequence. See, that's the deal. You have to find that out. Times r power n minus 1. So what happens here? R is 3. 3 power n minus 1 should be in the answer. So basically it is G. You got it?
Yeah.
The starting population is 5. This is 5 times 3 power of n minus 1. Make sense? Let me give you a few more maybe. Or if you're all good, then I'll move on. That's a good one. Okay, guys. Do this one. Give me quickly. I am going to go and grab something for you for next. Okay, go ahead and do these two. Did you do, guys? Okay. Okay. Did you get it? The second one is right, Amma. Adyan. Is the second one right?
Miss Priya, how would you do the second one?
Okay, let's do. See, for the first one, A1, the first term is 6. R is to find the value of A6. Okay, the common ratio is 2 means what happens? Let me write the first term, right? Ratio means 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth term, right? Then again you multiply by 2, so it becomes 96, and then 9 plus 9, 18, 19, 192, right? This is the answer for that one. Okay. Second one, arithmetic sequence is described by an is equal to 7n minus 3. What is the value of the first term? They want the first term. Okay. If they want the first term, what will you substitute? You will substitute n is equal to 1. Just that. You got it?
So Miss Priya, I got both in the questions right?
Correct. B, yeah. But you have put B, that's why it misled
Oh, I
me.
meant
G.
G.
Yeah, I got it. Ashwath and Lasya, did you get it?
I got the first one, but I didn't know how to do the second one, but I got it.
Yeah. How about you, Lasya? Same with Lasya, I think. Did you get it? Okay, now let me go ahead and try more. Okay, I really want you guys to do this. You know, for a parabola, did we discuss the vertex form and the standard form? Did we discuss last year the vertex form and standard form?
I think you have.
Yeah.
Okay. A parabola is defined by y equal to x plus c. Okay. For you to recollect, I'll go ahead and give you this. Y will be equal to ax square plus bx plus c, descending powers of x. This is called the standard form. Okay. Y will be equal to a times x minus h plus the whole square plus k. This is the vertex form. Here, h comma k is the vertex. Did you get it, ma? Parabola is defined by y equal. Did you get it? X coordinate of the vertex. It's not a hard one, right? Lasya, do you know this or do you need help? Do you need help, Lasya, on that? Lasya, I don't hear you, ma.
Can you give me one more minute?
Yeah.
10 to 2.
Tell me.
I said
Yeah, I'm saying. Whoa. Adyan, that's not correct. Yeah, Lasya. How did you find that? Okay. Now, Ashwath, I want you to compare this format with this format. H is the x value of the vertex. This is the y value of the vertex. So, they are asking for the x coordinate of the vertex. Can you answer? Compare and tell me. Let me see, Ashwath. You are going to tell me. Did you get it? Adyan, you can as well try. You are going to compare the two formats. What is the value of h? That's what they're asking, right? X value of the vertex. Come on, guys. We are waiting for you.
Is it D?
It's not D. Can you compare both? Just compare both the formats. What is the value of A in that equation? What is the value of A? Oh, please, you're going to
Wait,
make
then would it be B?
B is there is a minus there in the real form and there is a plus there, right? So how do you manage that?
Oh, it would be A.
A, good job. Ashwath, did you get it?
No.
Ashwath, you're directly comparing this, right? How do you compare x plus 10 the whole square? What is the value of h? A is 1, x is x, h is a minus 10. You got it?
Oh, yeah.
Lasya, any other topics that you're wanting me to revise for the ma? Any particular topic that you would like to go over? Anybody for that matter? How about this? These are all on quadratic functions. Okay, let's see. We have done quadratic functions well. Let's see. How about this? There are 3 questions. 70. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
after this, can we review like properties of exponents?
Sure. Properties of exponent. You mean radicals and rational exponents?
Yeah.
Radicals, sure. That one we have done a lot in class, right? We've broken our heads on it, right?
Yeah, but I keep messing up when I do
Sure,
that.
sure. Then if you have some topics, let me know, right? Okay, go ahead and do quickly, ma, this one. We are doing as much as I can, I'll do more problems. That's why I thought we'll extend the class today. Come on.
I sent my answers.
Oh my god. Ashwath, I don't even know. You have just put. No, Adyan. Adyan, none of it is correct. Lasya, correct.
I'm still
Ashwath, there are 3 questions. You have put 2 answers. How am I to match? You have not put down the question numbers. How will I match?
I'm still doing it.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, can you show me it?
Okay. You want me to do it? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I will. Okay. Compare to y equal to x square means what? This one, right? How would the graph 3x square appear? So what happens? X value doesn't change at all. X square remains as x square. Do you see? But the y value is multiplied by 3. So what happens? For the same x, y will be multiplied by 3. Y that was here will be multiplied by 3. It goes up like this. So what happens? Y equal to 3x square graph will look like this. So it would be narrower, vertical stretch. If it is a multiplication by a number, right, it is a vertical stretch. If the number is greater than 1, it's a stretch. If the number is less than 1, it's compression. Make sense? Adyan, did you get it?
Yeah.
Now, the quadratic function x square plus bc plus c has a y-intercept. Y-intercept means x value is 0. If you want to find the y-intercept, you have to put x value equal to 0. So this is our function. It has y-intercept at 0, comma.
Oh, so would it be A?
Yeah, correct.
Oh,
The graph of y equal to x square is symmetric to which line? You tell me. This graph is symmetric to which line?
G?
It's symmetric to which axis? Correct. It's symmetric to which axis? It's symmetric to the y-axis. What is the equation of that line? Y-axis equation is x equal to 0.
Oh, okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Ashwath, are you following?
Yeah, I just sent it in before.
Oh, nice. No problem. As long as you send it, I'm pretty happy. Okay. So, 1 minute, ma. You wanted exponents, huh? Properties of exponents, huh? That's what you said, right?
Yeah.
Last year, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see this. Okay. Okay. Do you want properties of exponents or radicals and rational exponents, ma? Be very clear. Which one do you exactly want, ma? Lasya, which one do you exactly want? What, ma?
We just review all of them just once.
Okay. So, the one thing to note is a power of m times a power of n is what? You tell me. Ashwath, you were there for all these classes, right? A power of m plus n. A power of m divided by a power of n. The base is the same, exponents are different. What it is? A power of
m minus n?
Yeah. A power of n, whole power of n. This is the power property. This is the quotient property. This is the product property. What is a power of m, whole power of n?
AMN?
Mn, yeah. Yep. Good. And then what else is there? A power of minus m is what?
A to 1 over a to the n.
A power.
Yeah.
Got it? Okay. So this is more than enough to understand. Let's see. I'm going to ask you this. Let's see this one. 1 second. Give me 1 minute, okay? How about this? This is a good one. Simplify this one. You're going to send me the answer. I'll wait.
Wait, Miss Priya, can you do it on the board? Because I forgot how to do it. I can't remember.
Which one now? To simplify this?
Yeah.
Ashwath, do you remember how to simplify this?
No.
How many days we did this? Did you do last year? Not really?
Two.
Okay, I'm glad we discussed this. Good pick, Lasya. So, please, if it's a composite number, write it down, okay? This means if there's no number, it's square root, right? For every 2 copies of the same number, you're going to pick one number out and write, right? A cube is a times a times a, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, for 2 copies of the same number, you'll pick one out and write. For 2 copies of the same number, you'll pick one out and write, correct? But you're left with 2 and a, that will be inside the square root only. Now 3a times square root of 2. This is the answer. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm glad you pick up nice topics. Let's see. But I am afraid, guys, now. The way we are doing. Can you simplify this? Simplify the second one. Able to do, ma'am? What is the value of 1 by 8 power minus 1 by 3? Tell me, guys. It's a negative reciprocal, right? So what do you negative exponent, right?
Yes, that's my answer too.
I got one answer from last year. Good. Let's see. Let's see about this one. This is 1 by 8 whole power of minus 1 by 3, correct? What happens here? The negative reciprocal, right? 1 power of minus 1 by 3 is just 1. So this is basically this minus 1 by 3 is applied to this, applied to this. When any power, 1 power is 1. 8 power of minus 1 by 3, right? Negative reciprocal. Whenever you see negative reciprocal, you have to simplify that. How? If it is in the denominator, push it up and write it as a positive exponent. That's all. So the answer is 8 power of 1 by 3. 8 power of 1 by 3 is what? What is the cube root? 8 power of 1 by 3 is what? This is a composite number, right? 2 power of 3 is 8. So 2 power of 3 power 1 by 3. What happens? 3 and 3 get cancelled. Answer is 2. Lasya, did you get it? Did you get it, Lasya?
Yeah.
Okay. Ashwath and Adyan, you didn't get it as well, right?
Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Let's see this one. Okay, now simplify this, guys. I did one problem very similar to this, so you're going to do this one. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, I think I got it.
Nice. I'm glad to hear that. Go ahead. You got it, ma?
I'm not sure about my answer, but I sent it to you.
That's okay. Oh, nice. Lasya, you got it. Yes. Good job, Ashwath. Adyan, did you get it?
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, did I not send it?
What is it?
Did I not send it?
I didn't see your answer. I saw their answers only. I'm glad we revised this topic. No, you didn't. Are you going to send?
Oh, yeah, I forgot to. Should I just tell the answer?
Yes, send it to me. See, you have to 50, right? 5 times 5 times 2. X power of 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now for every 2 copies of a number, take 1 out and write. X cube comes out, 5 comes out. Inside you have 2 and x. So it is 5x cube, then square root of 2x. Make sense? Adyan, did you get it?
Yeah. Now,
Hey, one simplification will definitely be there in the staff. Okay, in a way, I'm glad we revised it today. Let's see. Okay, let me ask you this. I just want to say this is not enough. Okay, you're going to tell me this one, guys. Yeah, let me know the answer for this one. Simple. Are you able to do? Done, guys? You get it? I didn't get an answer. Oh, I got it. But Seema, whenever you give answers, you cannot give it in negative exponent format. Okay. So this is 3 x power of minus 2 y power of 4 total power of minus 2. Power of powers, say it will be applied to each of this. When it is applied, you will multiply, right? 3 power of minus 2 x power of minus 2 whole power of minus 2 y power of 4 to power of minus 2. So what happens? 3 power of minus 2 is what? What is 3 power of minus 2, Ashwath? 3 power of minus 2, negative exponent, right? What do you do?
Would it be -9?
It is just 9. See, the negative exponent disappears, you push it down. You got it?
Oh, yeah.
So this is 1 by 9, right? This one becomes x power of 4, y power of minus 8. There is a negative exponent here, right? So what do you do? 1 by 9, x power of 4. This goes down, y power of 8. Makes sense? Last year, did you get it, ma? Last year?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm a little off, guys. Meaning I don't feel very comfortable in this area for you guys. Okay, how about this? Okay, let's see this one. This one is easier, so I'm assuming you'll be able to do this one quicker. Let me erase this. How about this? Done?
Sent you my answer.
Yeah, I'm seeing. Yeah, was that easy? Was that much better? Okay, 6. But you know what? This one's 7. X power of.
Wait, never mind. I forgot to distribute them.
Yeah, but where did you get that? Why you have to multiply all the numbers together? You know that, right? Adyan, you have to multiply all the numbers together. 2 x power of 3, yeah. No, Lasya. Okay, Adyan, see here. 2 x squared y cube whole power of 3, right? What do you do with that? You have to apply that 3 to each of this. So 2 cube is 8. X square power 3. Y cube power 3. No, 8 x power of 5 y power of 9 xy square. Now what happens? These two combine 8 x power of 6 y power of 11. Makes sense,
Oh,
guys?
yeah.
Okay, guys, I'll stop here. Good luck with your star. I'm going to post a homework on quadratics, exponential exponents, and then arithmetic geometric sequences. Please do.
Okay.
Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Good luck with your star. But did you understand the last problem?
Yeah.
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 Okay, good. Good luck, guys. See you next week.
Thank you, Miss
Thank
Priya.
you. Bye.